Welcome to Goddard Adventure. Today, we're zooming in on another all-wheel drive festival adventure. We're taking a group of Misfit off-roaders on the Wolf Den Trail in Uwharrie National Forest. Today, we have two brand new 2026 Honda Passports, an older CRV, an Element, an XC90, as well as a Honda Pilot and our lifted 2024 Passport. Join us as we perform the part of tail runner on this Misfit expedition. Hope you guys enjoy. The tail gunner requests that you guys stop throwing up dust, please.
I'm doing 20. I'm doing my best, there.
I'm just messing.
No, it is the worst being in the back, so I appreciate you being back there, buddy.
Guys, I hope we survive on this trip.
You do? Are you getting a little nervous?
Because are we doing
so dusty?
Is across sideways, and that'll help you not hit the bottom of your truck.
Once we hit the trail, we noticed a knocking noise coming from outside our vehicle. We were really having a hard time tracking it down, but then it occurred to us that it was coming from our roof box, and I realized we had a bunch of tent poles in it. Now we just need an excuse to pull over. What could we do? What was the code for 110? What was it?
Yeah, 110.
10100, I think.
10100, 10100. Eli's got to pee.
And Evan.
Go for it, guys. And then
Let's rock.
all right, easy peasy so far.
Yep. There you go.
Woo. All right, got a little taste of the sand mode there. We do need to catch up again, though. We keep falling behind.
Yes.
Yeah, you got that.
Good job, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, you're still good. And then keep going straight.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Hey, wait. So there's a rock right here. So you're going to keep coming, and then we're going to cut you driver before you get to it. So just keep moving a little bit further. A little bit driver. All right, wait. If you go too much, your back tire is going to climb and touch. So might want to back up just a smidge.
You can come up and over that rock with his back tire.
All right.
Yeah, just back up.
Everybody's been doing it. It's been working well.
So right there now hard driver. We actually want to go up it, is what Randy said.
Gotcha.
So go slow.
Come right up and over.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then just keep it towards the right and go all the way
far right, out where Laney is, okay?
Laney, huh?
What did I say?
Laney?
What is it?
Eleni. It's close enough.
Suck.
I'm just messing with you.
Lenny?
Eleni, yeah.
I've been calling you Laney forever.
That's all right.
5 years, the wrong name. Good job, Randy.
Thanks, Randy. Yeah, so that's the stock passport going up.
I think the best route was with the one that, oh, you're good there. Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, we just drove over it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Nobody did it, but you can try. Go for it. Careful, you're about to hit a rock. Go. Like a piece of pie.
Come catch us on this corner, Eli.
All right. Good. Yeah.
I didn't know if I wanted to do that for a second. Well, everybody made it. Randy was saying that that was the hardest stuff that we had already passed. Now, if there's one thing I know about riding on trails, though, you cannot, don't take your attention off the road, because like a lot of times you make it through the really like the hard obstacle, and then all of a sudden before you know it, there's a rock that just sneaks up and hits you right in the bumper.
Where's my container motor?
We can learn a thing from rocks and how well they can sneak.
There's sneaky rocks.
Sneaky
Where
rocks.
was my container motor?
I hope you enjoyed this episode. The All-Wheel Drive Festival is always a good time, and if you want to learn more about it, do a web search for All-Wheel Drive Festival. Normally it's hosted at Uwharrie National Forest, which is an awesome place to go. In this episode, you saw the Wolf Den Trail, which is a good beginner's trail. In the next upcoming videos, you're going to see us take our lifted 2024 Passport on the more extreme offerings that Uwharrie has to offer. If you're interested in following those adventures, please subscribe and follow the channel. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next adventure. Aaron, out.
Hit the trails. Got a big group of all-wheel drive vehicles.
Blech.